Today I'll be walking through the SBLI e-ticket now available on the mobile app and the Agency Life Quoter. This ticket is available for agents to use for SBLI's accelerated term and is a fast, efficient method to submit directly to the carrier. One of the key features of the SBLI products available for this e-ticket is the guaranteed non-med accelerated underwriting process. With this integration, the e-ticket is submitted directly to SBLI and processed by the APPS team. I'll start off this demonstration by showing the ticket process in the mobile app. This is our demo app, but the process would be the same in your brokerage's mobile app. I'll start with the Needs Analysis tool. In this tool, you can enter some financial information about the client to calculate the appropriate face amount for their needs. I'll quickly enter some information here like mortgage, debt, number of children, income, etc. Once completed, this will load the face amount into the Life Quotes tool. Once in the Life Quotes tool, I can enter the rest of the quote criteria for the client. I have the option to choose multiple health categories and product types to compare, but in this case, just for the sake of example, I will run a 20-year term. After a moment, I will see the quote results. From here, I can choose products to compare and share that information. I can also filter down the results to just those with an online submission process from the filtering section. You see we have a couple other carriers with e-tickets, but in this example, I will choose SBLI. We display on this screen some information about the carrier and product, and you see here at the bottom we have the Get Started button. If I tap this button, you can see all the actions I can take on this quote, including the e-ticket. I'll select this and then I'll be in the e-ticket process. The flow of the e-ticket will be exactly the same whether you are using it from your mobile app or our web tool, the Agency Life Quoter, which I'll show you a little later. The ticket starts with some important preliminary questions to make sure your client is a good fit for accelerated underwriting. If you answer yes to any of these preliminary questions, you'll be notified that your client is not eligible for accelerated underwriting. Next, you'll see where to start entering the information about the proposed insured. Some of this information will pre-fill from the quote, and you see I can look at the quote at any point in the process. Once you start entering information, it'll be saved for reference in our system. But note that if you close out and do not complete the e-ticket, you'll need to start the process over. I also want to point out here that the Social Security number is not saved in our system, but will send to SBLI. I'll go ahead and quickly fill out some information here. You can see the questions are responsive according to how I've answered previous questions. At the bottom of this screen, you are asked about the policy owner. If I answer no, it'll provide some responsive questions regarding the owner type. There is also a question for existing insurance. If I select yes for this question, it'll add one more screen to the e-ticket to enter information about the existing policy. You can add multiple policies here if applicable. Only the insurer name and face amounts are required, but if you are able to provide more information about the policy, there are questions for additional information as well. I'll enter some information here and then move on to just a few more screens. The next screen is for supplemental questions. You must answer either yes or no to each of these questions, and there may be some responsive follow-up questions depending on your answers. Next is the billing questions where you choose the premium mode, whether it will be paid monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. No payment information is collected during the e-ticket process. Finishing up here, you will see the producer report where the agent will enter their information. Since they are logged into the mobile app, this will pre-fill their first and last name based on their IXN account information. I do want to point out here that the agent code is a required field. This will be how SBLI associates the submission with the correct agent. If the agent does not know their agent code, or they are not yet contracted with SBLI, they may enter 5 zeros into this field as a placeholder agent code. Since the agency code will also be submitted with each ticket, SBLI will be able to contact the agency to obtain the appropriate agent code. The last page to enter information is the producer attestation. Be sure to agree to each of the terms here, and then the ticket is ready to submit. At this point, the e-ticket is complete and has been submitted to SBLI. That's all you have to do. This process is exactly the same on the Agency Life Quoter. I go to the quote engine and enter my quote criteria, the same as the mobile app. And you notice here I can enter some information about the proposed insured that will pre-fill into the e-ticket. I'll enter some basic information and then run a quote. Once in the quote results, I can compare, quote, and filter my results like you saw in the mobile app. If I hover over SBLI, you see the Get Started option appear. I'll go ahead and select that, then I have all my quote actions to choose from. I'll choose the e-ticket option for SBLI, and you see I can run through the exact same process you saw before. It will pre-fill relevant information from the quote criteria and quote, and all the questions are responsive to ensure that you're entering the needed information for your policy. Once submitted to SBLI, the agency will receive an email notification from our system about the submission. At the same time, the e-ticket is sent to APPS for fulfillment, and progress can be tracked from appslive.com. The fulfillment setter starts by calling the client twice the first day, then continues to call until a phone interview is scheduled. Once the interview is conducted, the ticket then goes through SBLI's underwriting system, and about 20% are submitted an offer within 24 hours after the interview is conducted. Over 60% of applications are completed within a week of submission. As an upside to your client and agent, there is also an upsell opportunity built into the process on SBLI's side, where your client has the opportunity to increase their face amount and in turn increase your agent commission after your work has already been done. We're excited to be able to offer these e-ticket solutions for your brokerages and agents. Using this process is one of the fastest and easiest ways to submit to SBLI. If you would like to enable this ticket on your Agency Life Quoter or mobile app, feel free to contact our support team and we'd be happy to help you get set up.